Hey y'all, wanted to show you the train horns I made out of PVC and oil funnels. If you'd like to see a video on how to make them, just leave those in the comments, and I'd appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so here it is. I mounted it underneath the Tahoe where the spare tire goes, and then I mounted my tank up there, and then I have my air compressor in the front. That's the back of them. You got your plexiglass on each one. I'll show you where I mounted the air compressor. And I just have a line running back to the tank, and it kicks it on and off. And then I have my switches down here. This one's for just my headlights or my off-road lights. That's for the air compressor itself, and then that is to actually blow the horns itself. And I'll show you how all that's done. If you'd like to see a video, I can do a diagram and, you know, potentially make some more horns, just so you guys can see how it's done. All right, I'm gonna blow them for y'all, and let me know what you think. I'd appreciate it if you leave some comments for me. I just went back and watched that video, and wow, I should not have put my phone underneath the horns. It's definitely loud. I'm surprised I didn't blow the microphone. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Let me know what you think. Just the last couple of things I wanted to share. This is the pressure release valve. If it hits over 190 psi, it will blow, basically just to protect the tank and from blowing up. And then this is the switch. It's going to turn on the air compressor at 120 psi, and it's going to turn off the air compressor once it reaches 150 psi. Up here you have the line going up to the air compressor, what feeds the air to it. And then above that you have just a screw valve to be able to let all the air out if I want to. And then over here you're going to have a splitter. The splitter that I have going out the top, or that line going out the top, is going to go over here to my solenoid. Once I turn on the solenoid, that's what releases the air into the horns. And then going down here, just have a quick release valve or a quick release, you know, connection. So that way I can air up my tires, or we go to the beach a lot, so I will use it to blow off our feet, the sand and whatnot. And then also I use it to blow up the tubes. And so it's just nice to have, convenient. And yeah, so I appreciate y'all watching. If you'd like to see more of them, let me know. And also if you'd like to see like a diagram or see me make one, I'd be happy to do that as well. Just let me know in the comments. And if you don't mind, like the video and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.